Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a test run for my new setup for the computer and the new place. I don't know how it's gonna went. So I just do the small build for the Keroro. It is small, so I hope it's not gonna take too long and just to see what the new setup is, the new setting, is it okay or something like that. This is all the runner that it came with and the manual. I think this is the manual. Yeah, in the video, if you didn't see my video of the gameplay of Monster Hunter, I recommend you watch some. If you enjoy, maybe you leave a suggestion. So this is all 1 2 3 4 5 6 runner in total. I just do the wrong side. I think this one is on the top, but not this. This is one for the mouthpiece. So the white part on the top. He can change the eye socket. That's really cool. And the green color on this is nice. It's super shiny. The color is not red, as you can see, like compared to this one. This one is more like pinkish, like peach color. The reason that I like Keroro anime series because he loves to do the gunpla thing, and it's funny to me that the alien that the task is come to invade Earth, and he done doing that and send the one of the OVF the gunpla to the HQ and say that Earth is dangerous, don't come, I'm fighting like the Great War, something like that. It's super funny. Okay, I got that now. And all the plastic kit now is expensive for the Keroro series, and especially one that have mobiles and robot thing is super. I want that one, but it's super expensive though. But I try to find that on Japan market, but I cannot find that. So it's okay, but I have this one at least. So it's okay. If it come to I can find that, that's cool. If I can't, it's fine also. And then here put the thing. It have a lock mechanic. Don't try to squeeze in if it's not locked here, like these two sides. The sticker on the head is quite hard because you have to eyeball it, which where the center. The weapon in the Keroro series is really simple. The design is I don't want to say copy from the Gundam series, but they just took the essence of that and then change to it a little bit, and then tada! Keroro weapons. For example, this bazooka is very similar to the IX-7 model. IX-7-2. As you guys can see, the sticker is not fit flat on the eye socket. I think maybe I should try to paint it, paint it instead of put a sticker, but that is another time in another video. This video is just gonna be assembled as you guys can see. This one is more flat, but it still have a rough edges. It is supposed to be like a jet engine or something. Ta-da! Everything is now done. I think in the next episode I'm gonna try to repaint the black dot in design instead of the sticker, and maybe the shield too. Maybe more detail in the weapon, something like that. The connection of the part and like the leg part and the body part is super loose. It's getting oh my god, it's quite hard to post something because all the mechanic of because his head is so big, like his head the proportion, the weight, all the weight is gonna be up here, and it's quite hard to post anything. But anyways guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoying this video, please like, share and subscribe. I'm sorry that this video gonna be super short, but I think like I say in the beginning of the video, this is just like for the next time that I'm gonna do the assemble thing, just to test the system out. Happy assembling your plastic kit. See you in the next video. Bye bye.